Ladies and gentlemen, it's 1 minute to midnight. The next example of stereo action takes us to the neighborhood.
So I'm outside already, and today our plan is to go view a house because we arrived in Tokyo and we're still homeless. We applied to a place like maybe almost over 3 weeks ago, and it's taking forever because usually they say that like screening applications take about like 2 to 3 weeks, but like on average they just say that, and on average they get back within a week. And some of you might have heard that like just finding a place as a foreigner in Tokyo is already hard because a lot of places don't allow foreigners, and then on top of that, being a student makes it harder because then you cut the places in half. And then just until recently, we were still in Canada, so we had to do overseas screening, and a lot of places also do not allow overseas screening, and you have to get screened for like every place that you want to rent, to see if like you're like up to their standards for renting out their apartments. So yeah, we'll check that out, and then we're just gonna go walk around. And we wanted to just visit the Omotesando Aoyama area and look at some Doc Martens backpacks or some type of laptop bags because we don't have those yet for school. But yeah. Michael Cabe donning me. So this is my favorite ramen place. It's called Tea's Tantan. It's in Tokyo Station, and everything on their menu is vegan, which is really nice, and it tastes incredible. Like, it's so good. I'm gonna get like the gyoza combo. You can also get vegan ramen to go. These actually taste really, really good. Probably my favorite instant noodles. This looks and smells so good. I wish you guys could smell it right now. And I got gyoza with it too. It's only like $3 for 3 pieces, and this was about 11. We just finished eating at Tea's Tantan, and we're gonna head to Omotesando, do some walking around and shopping for school. We gotta find some laptop bags, and I kind of wanted to check this one out at Doc Martens, and then just probably get like some stationery at Muji. Yeah, the Tokyo Station area though is so nice, but the only things that are really here are just like business buildings, but it's super clean and very nice and quiet, even though it's a really big area. It's a couple. We're taking our wedding photos. We're wedding people. So now we're at Doc Martens. This is the bag I'm looking at. I also asked to look at one more that she might have in the back. So it looks pretty sleek. I like the handle on the top, so you can always just carry it easily like that if you don't want to carry it on your back hurts. I ended up not getting the bag because even though it looked really nice, it was just too big on my tiny body, and it just made me look like a halfling. So I'm dropping by 7-Eleven because it's pretty hot today. It's like 26 degrees. Last day of September, no, first day of October, yeah. And I really, really like this drink. It's almond milk. I definitely recommend, because this almond milk actually tastes like almonds. It's not like, I don't know if it's, but you know how like American almond milk doesn't really taste that great, or it doesn't really taste like almonds. It tastes like fake almond milk. If I knew what fake almond milk tasted like, if it actually is fake. Now we're at the back streets of like the Aoyama / Omotesando area, and wedding dress store. Sorry, I get distracted. But like if you go around the back streets here, there's a lot of really, really cute cafes. Once we have seen like multiple people like line up for it. There's like a huge line over that way, but there's a lot of really cute cafes and restaurants, so if you have time, definitely like check out the back areas of here. No, she's blocking Luffy. Child woman. That's me. So I was just walking down this road and I look up and it says, "I'm donuts." Now we're at Ikea. Sorry, I'm jumping from place to place, but they have plant-based curry ramen, which is really interesting, and I will try it one day, But not today because I had ramen earlier and I am super full. Yeah, we ended up coming to Ikea because we gotta find some stuff for the home. Once we get a home, because we're homeless right now. Fish nuggets. And what's this? Is this just mashed potatoes? Wait, no, this doesn't feel like mashed potatoes. What is this? It's like sticks. This is actually a really nice idea. If you're like one person living in Tokyo, just having this, and then if this was like next to a wall, you could put a TV there and then have this little sofa to yourself. I think this works really well. Ikea has like baked goods that you can get, and they have like cinnamon buns for $1 and also like ice cream for 50 cents. So we're gonna get ice cream cone, one ice cream cone and one cinnamon bun before we go, and then maybe pick up some cold food that we can put in the microwave for dinner. We thought this would be vanilla, but it's actually apple ice cream. That's cool though.
So unexpected.
I think it's actually better for summer. Maybe it's like a seasonal thing. Apples are in fall, so there you go. So let's go get some frozen mashed potato broccoli. This is dinner. It's about $7. Canadian, by the way. I'm Canadian. So. Just one? Yeah. You want two? Okay, let's go. So last time I was here a few years ago, I don't know if the video can actually hear it, but there's like this really high-pitched ringing. You know, like that kind of sound that like they say only like ages this to this can hear, like young people. Yeah, it's really loud right here. Yeah, okay, we can go. But my friend told me that that sound is actually there to keep young people from like loitering in this area, because this is like right outside Harajuku Station, where a lot of like young people hang out. Anyways, I got our food at Ikea, so yay, cheap dinner. I don't know if that's true, but it's just interesting. There's actually apples right beside it, and they advertised it with apples, but I didn't expect it. Wait, does it say it's apple? What does that say? Oh yeah, okay. That's it. So it doesn't actually say it's apple. They just show a picture and expect you to get it, I guess. It's still good. This is the new Harajuku station, which the last time I was here 3 years ago, they just started building it. And now it's completely done, I guess. I was kind of sad that they were getting rid of the old one, but this one looks pretty cool, and there's a bunch of stores inside too, so it makes sense because this area is super duper busy. I can't get over how cute my nails are. I'm just saying.
Please change your floor. The service.
Whenever I'm on a subway, I really just want to do the subway girl trend, or the tube girl trend. I mean, this is my stop. Takada no Baba. Or like whenever there's wind, because the trains pass by, I want to do the tube girl trend.
Who's people Bryson? 2 years ago, already.
Oh my god, my bad. He bumped into me. It wasn't my fault. I didn't do much other than we bought food. Yeah, right now we just have a really tiny Airbnb at Takada no Baba. It hardly fits our luggage, so hopefully, fingers crossed, we get approved and we can move in this week to our actual rental unit. Okay, final tip of the day to Family Mart. Oh, they're so cute. I've been buying so many of these. I feel like I should just buy the big one. No, there's not a big one here, but if we find a grocery store. But yeah, I guess for now, maybe just this. Since we already walked in, I just want to get something. Oh yeah, there's like, this is like a collab that they have going on here right now. These like Kirby desserts. There's like a Kirby bun, Kirby cream bun, and Kirby roll cake. Okay, nice. That looks so good. I love melon head. Bro, that's a Yakuza house. I swear, that's what it looks like in the Yakuza games. Every kebab place in Tokyo is owned by a Turkish person. I think there are a lot of Turkish people here. There's even like a big Turkish mosque here. But yeah. Anyways, our day is done. I'm heading back to Airbnb. Maybe I'll show you in another video if I have time. but basically just shopped around. We didn't buy too much. It was a lot of just like gauging prices and understanding what we would need for once we actually have a place to furnish, because there's no point in buying furniture when we don't have a place to furnish. This is my Ikea dinner. Japanese news looks like a Twitch live stream. I don't know. Good morning. It's a pretty loud morning, but today we're on our way to my school's entrance ceremony. And then from there, we'll just be doing some out and about walking and shopping again for things, little things we might need before school. And I'll bring you guys along on today's trip. We're still waiting on a response for the apartment that we applied to for screening. Hopefully they'll get back today, because today's a Monday, so it's a working day. And yeah, I'll update you guys on that. Guys, it's so weird because they're playing like super kawaii hype anime music, like idol music, during the entrance ceremony. This is the schedule for my opening ceremony. There's opening speech, greetings from the principal, and then they do a demonstration lesson from the principal. Nationality and number of newcomers. Okay.
Spatial grade students.
Okay, cool. Oh yeah, that's like usually like in the animes, you know? There's like the person who did best the last year would do like a speech. Right?
There will be 45 students from China. 中国同学45位，有没有中国的同学？嗨。
No. Okay, I just finished. What was this called? Opening ceremony. And dropping by 7-Eleven to get my almond milk because I'm thirsty. And then we're gonna go to Shinjuku and look at Muji and other places.
Your attention please. The train bound for Shinjuku and
Now we're at Muji, gonna buy some stationery. I just kind of want to buy a book because I really like Muji's books. They're plain, they have nothing written on them because I don't like lined stuff because I don't know, it distracts me. And if I want to draw something, because I'm a very visual learner type of person, then I like having a blank page to draw on. But yeah, I'm really happy because I think it's really cute to shop for like home stuff as well. And we're shopping for home stuff here too. And we're gonna visit Muji home after. I think this is what I want. Yeah, it's the plain ones. One of these, it's 290 yen, so like under $3. Now we're looking around Muji home, which I think is super cute because it feels like we're shopping for our house together, even though it's not really our house. But yeah, I mean, we don't even have a house yet, but yeah, you get what I mean. Oh. Okay, never mind. Let's stick with Ikea. Good to know though, good to know. Ikea best prices were like, I think the cheapest one was like $200 for a double bed. I have a friend who said that who lives here, and he said he has like some extra curtains, and he has some gray ones that are light blocking as well that we could just use because he was planning on getting rid of them because his girlfriend kind of wants to change up the aesthetic. So yay, less money for us to spend. These couches are cute, but they're so tiny. Look at the size of my foot. Look, if I put my foot up, it's almost the height of the couch. This is so interesting. So this bottom floor of Muji has a bunch of food. It's like just food for Muji, which is so cool. I've never seen this. Like the Muji stores in Canada like have like a few snacks and that's it, but yeah, this has like a bunch of different types of bread and snacks and jelly. Pear and yogurt flavored jelly. Well, look at my nails. I'm still not over that. Strawberry jam sandwich cracker. The music's so cute. Cafe mocha. Yeah, $3.90. Oh, ginger chai. That sounds good. I think I might try this. Oh, a salted butter caramel latte sounds so good too. And pumpkin spice. Ginger ale, apple soda. Mika, that's like Mandarin soda. We're at a place called Saru Cafe. Saru? No, Monkey Cafe. This? Oh, okay. This and this? This is tuna and avocado. I'll get the Mexican rice thing, and if that has pork, then I'll just get the chicken. We just got our food. I couldn't get the Mexican rice because it was pork in it, but this is like chicken dake. And Michael got a cheeseburger. It looks really good. The cheese is super melted. Damn. I just realized I have cheese too. Nice. I don't know what kind of sauce this is. I'm super picky about sauce, but it's okay.
Probably sweet.
I'm assuming it's sweet. It looks like it's gonna be sweet. Okay, there's no one in here so I can talk, but I'm telling you, mall washrooms in Tokyo, if you ever have to use a washroom, go to a mall, because this is so damn nice. Like, no mall I know in Canada has a washroom this nice. And literally every mall in Japan's like washrooms are insanely nice. Also, the cafe we just ate at was like inside a Lumine. Wait, Lumine? No, it's like the Oi Oi. Mariuchi? It's like 0101. Guys, I'm freaking out. It's so freaking nice. Look, you have your own personal TV. Holy crap. I'm so glad no one's in here because they think I'm crazy because I'm talking to myself. I'm filming this like a month after I've taken all those videos because school's been really hectic and I haven't had time. Hence why I am in a coat, because it is kind of cold here now that it's like almost mid-November. But yeah, finally got approval, and I will talk about that whole process in another video because I feel like it's worth its own. I'm so good and done with those Airbnbs. It was so bad. Like, what our first Airbnb was like, had the bathtub flooded, so it was really gross to take a bath, to the point where we had to like literally take a cup or like a bowl and fish out like all the old water just so we could shower with new water without standing in the old water. Anyways, I really appreciate you guys watching like this really chill video just of me kind of settling back into Tokyo. It was really fun. If you're wondering what this is a pimple patch, by the way. Anyways, yeah, and I'll see you next time. Hopefully I get more videos done and out soon because school's been so busy, but like I went to a bunch of bunkasais recently, and I recorded some of it, and hopefully I can like somehow put that in a video. And yeah, I look forward to making the next one. So you can join my Discord, which I will leave a link for in the about section, just because I'm a lot more active there and I talk a lot there, like almost every night, every other night, something like that. Anyways, I hope you guys have a wonderful night, morning, evening, wherever you are, and I will see you in the next one. Mata ne. I learned that in school.